Make money online by playing games. If you're interested in making money online, getting paid directly into your PayPal account just for playing games, then you need to keep watching this video because I'm going to show you exactly how you can get paid to play games on your phone. So make sure you keep watching and let's get started right now. Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video on the Make Money Online channel. This is the place to be if you want to make money online in 2020. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online and get paid directly into your PayPal account for just playing games on your phone. So if you have a mobile phone, you can actually play games, you can test out games, and you can get paid to do so, which is amazing. So I'm going to reveal all the websites and strategies and all of that good stuff in this video. So this method is actually available in lots of different countries. In fact, I believe this is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're from. This is also free to start, meaning that you don't have to pay for the platform, you don't have to buy a new phone, or you don't need to pay for anything, to be honest, which is amazing. Which makes this beginner friendly because you don't need money, you don't need skills, and you don't need experience. All you need to do is play games on your phone. So if you're able to do that, you can actually get started with this method. But before we get into that, guys, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well if you want to see daily Make Money Online videos. I'm trying to post one video every single day with a new website or method for you to make money online. So if you're interested in that, make sure you go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below, click on the bell icon, and then I will send you a notification every time I come out with a new video to make money online. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just get into the video and into the method right now. Okay, there we go. So like I just said, we're gonna find out how we can make money online by playing games. So what you want to do, guys, you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Beta Family, and then next up you want to click on that website right there, betafamily.com. Now don't click off this video because you know how the website, what the website is, because you actually need to figure out how this works yourself, and chances are you're not going to succeed with that. So make sure just keep watching, and then I'll show you exactly how this works, where you need to go, what you need to do, and all of that, and then you can actually succeed with this. So once again, go to betafamily.com, but they will actually take you to this website right here. But you don't need this because this is aimed at businesses, okay? So this is not for you guys. You actually want to scroll down and you want to see right there, you can see how it works, pricing, browse tests, all of that. But you actually want to click on sign up as a tester, which is right there. Okay, and they're going to take you to this page right here, which is where you can actually sign up. But before that, I want to show you how you can actually do this and what this is about. So I just clicked on browse tests, which you can do right there as well on their homepage. And you can see ongoing tests as of right now. And they say quality testers make money, get started right away. Now, before you actually take a look at this, you can already find out that this is available on Android and also on iOS, which is great because then anyone can actually do this. And you can actually take a look at all of the different categories. So you can see books, business, catalogs, education, entertainment, finance, food and drinks, and then right there you see games. So if you want to make money online by playing games, you want to click right there. But like I said, you can also just choose any of these, to be honest. If you're interested in lifestyle, music, navigation, news, sports, you can choose any of these and you can still do this. But for this video, like I said, we're going to focus on games. Now, before I click on games, I want to show you that these guys, like this platform, actually has a lot of available tests. So this is not some random website with only one survey or one test or one game or whatever. They actually have a lot of apps and tests available for you, so you can actually make a decent amount of money with this. Now, I'm going to scroll back and I'm going to click on games, and then I'll show you exactly how this works. So for games, as of right now, they have 2 available campaigns, and these campaigns are actually getting these are actually refreshing every single day. So as of right now, there are only 2 available, but tomorrow there could be another 5 or another 10. And like I said, you can also choose all the other ones in case you want to. So let me just click right there. So this is a game, as you can see right there, and you can get paid to test out this game. So this campaign is running from the 24th of December until the 14th of January in 2020. And you can actually do this with an Android device anywhere between Android 3.2 and Android 10. Now the other game is running from the 15th of December until the 5th of January, and you can do this on iOS. So they have one available game on Android and one on iOS. Now I'm actually on Android, so I'm gonna click on this one right there, and then I'm gonna find out if I actually qualify for this game, but I'm pretty sure that I will. So let's just wait for the information. There you go, let's scroll down. Okay, so for this you need to be a male or a female, which like literally everyone is, okay, so that's great. You need to be anywhere between 13 and 99 years old, which I am as well. You need to be on Android, so anywhere between Android 3.2 and Android 10, and you need to have a phone, tablet, or wearable, so any of these. So I actually have a phone, so I can do this, and you can actually do this from all corners of the world, which means that this game, that this job is available in any country, aka worldwide, which is amazing because then anyone can actually do this. Now right there you can actually apply to test out these games, and over 100 people are already testing this app, which is amazing. Now if I just get rid of this, if I just scroll down, you can once again get access to all of this information, and that's pretty much it for this one. You can test out way more right here. As you can see right there, another game. Or is this the same? I'm not sure, let me check. Okay, no, so these are actually the previous campaigns they've been doing. So they've been testing out this game a lot. So chances are they're going to do this many more times, which is great because then you can make more money. Now let me go back to browse tests, and I'm going to show you the other game as well. I'm going to click on games. I'm going to click on iOS, and then I should actually get the same information like I just got with the other game. Now let me scroll down. Okay, so male, female, 13 up to 99 years old, iOS, iPhone or iPad, and worldwide. 43 people are testing this app. You can join them right now, click on apply, and then you can actually join the game. You must create an account though. But if I go back to all the available tests, I just want to show you that you can make a lot of money, and all of these actually pay decent amount of money. So $5, $5, $5, $20 for this one right there, which is amazing. And yeah, if I just scroll down, you can see that there are plenty of available games just waiting for you to get tested basically. And then what you want to do, you want to give feedback so that the app can actually improve their game. Okay, so there's a business that's developing these apps, and they want to find out how the app is performing, if people actually like it, if it's good, if they can change anything, and that's actually why they will pay you. So you can test out these games. You're going to give feedback on the game or on the app, and they will pay you for that feedback. So like I said, you can get paid $5 for this app, $5 for this one right there, another $5, $20 right there, and you can pretty much find out about the requirements you need right there. So most of these are available worldwide, and you can see the device and the running date as well. Now, like I said, there are many ongoing tests, so you can play games, but you can also do a lot of other stuff. So I can click on music, and then, so right now there's no available job in music. If I click on business, let's find out if I can actually find some. So for lifestyle, there's this app that's available right now, photo and video. Okay, so you can just click on these, and then you can actually find out different apps. So entertainment is actually a really popular niche, because if I click on entertainment, you'll get a bunch of new apps. So Monster Truck Free Drive 4x4, which is also a game which you can also play. So this is pretty much the website, guys. Like I said, it's called Beta Family. So what you want to do, you want to go to that website. You then want to click on, let's see, browse tests, which is right there. You don't want to pay attention to the homepage because that's focused on businesses that actually want to promote their apps. And then right there, you can actually find all of these different apps that you can test to get paid. As you can see right there, there are plenty of them, and you can test out all of these to make money online. You can sign up for free on this website. Like I said, this is a free method. No need to pay for anything. You don't need to pay for a course. You don't need to pay for a new phone or a microphone or any software. This is 100% free, so you can sign up for free on this platform, betafamily.com/tests, and then click on sign up. That's pretty much how this website works. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well if you want to see more make money online methods. I'm posting videos like this where I just show you a website, but I'm also making videos where I actually show you a complete business model or an actual method. So that could be like building up a YouTube channel and then monetizing it with affiliate marketing, or that could be building an Instagram business. It could literally be any method. But yeah, if you're interested in that, make sure you go ahead and leave a like,